As she laid down to sleep, Mary started to weep, remembering the cross and the nails. She was there when he died, as the spear pierced his side. She watched as the Savior travailed. And now her life seemed like the end of a dream that left her heart saddened with gloom. But in the morning she'd go watch them roll back the stone and step in a now empty room. What a difference a day makes, what a change in the air, when a glorious feeling of hope cuts through the doubt and despair. Though the night seems so long, soon the morning will break, and you'll discover at dawn what a difference a day makes. For the mother whose child has grown restless and wild, and you feel like your prayers are in vain, and for the father whose plans have slipped right through your hands, and you cannot see past all the pain. For the daughters and sons, for the prodigal ones, for the lonely, the weak or afraid, don't lose faith in the night. When the morning brings light, it will drive all the shadows away.
What a difference a day makes, what a change in the air, when a glorious feeling of hope cuts through the doubt and despair. Though the night seems so long, soon the morning will break, and you'll discover at dawn what a difference a day